and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and so glad to see you once again in today's new video. In today's video, I'll be focusing on indicators as well. I'll mainly focus on the Bollinger indicator. I know some of you have heard of it, and if you have not heard of it, I'll still show you how to use it, where to use it, and why to use it. So I have a private chat in Telegram channel. To join this chat, you need to write me with the code word money team. You need to send this code word to my personal chat. I left the link down below in the description box. You need to send me with this code word, and I'll be able to add you to this team so that you can be able to make some money, also make some profit, receive trading signals once a day, and be able to copy my chats. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to comment down below and share this video. And also, let's get into the very first trade for today. Hello friends, once again. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Bollinger indicator. This indicator works hand in hand with technical analysis. It also helps to show you the current price deviation, and it also works with various settings. So I want to show you how to open this indicator and how to use it. So to switch on this indicator, you need to click this button and choose Bollinger in the list of indicators. So you need to change the values of the Bollinger Bands. So I'll set the period as 14 and the deviation as 2. And I'll make the lines thicker so that you can be able to see them better. And now, as you can see on the chart, this is the indicator. And so I want to show you how do you use this indicator and what is the signal to open the trade. Well, this is the moment when price is approaching the border of this indicator. This indicator indicates that they are a reversal at this point, and if you manage to be able to open a trade here and the price passes the border, you'll be able to get good profit. But you need to keep in mind that technical analysis should be contacted first, because technical analysis is the most important of all. So to confirm this, the indicator just confirms the result. So the settings of the indicator will help to determine price boundaries. So to sum it up, this indicator can be used in several ways. So I want to try and show you while I'm trading. So let's get into our very first trade for today. Well, this is the level of the resistance on the chart, and the price is at this level. Here I'm opening a down trade for 1 minute. The price has exited the indicator boundaries, and it's indicating that anytime soon there will be a rollback downward. So I'll have to wait for the result of the trade. Well, as you can see in this trade, that the first touch happened and there was a rollback down, and this situation has brought me profit. Right now, price is breaking through the level impulsively. So I think it's better to wait until the price breaks through this level and fades, and then now enter the market with a down trade. This is because after the breakout, price tends to bounce in the opposite direction, and now the price has stopped and the red candlesticks are making an appearance. So now I'll wait for a small pullback down, and then I'll get my profits. Well, as you can see, there was a small bounce up and I was able to get my profit. So I think I will continue. Well, here you can see the price exited the indicator boundaries, and right now it's moving at the resistance level. So I've entered the market with a down trade for 1 minute because I expect the bounce down from the resistance line and also suggested by the indicator. So I think I'll wait for the results of this trade. Okay, to analyze this trade, you can see that there was a rollback down and the situation was profitable again. The price exited the indicator, thereby helping me determine the boundaries. So I think I'm ready to continue. Well, here you can see that the price is trending to the upper borders of the indicator, and the candles indicate that there is a recent maximum values. This zone will give us a rollback down for sure, so I have to open a trade and wait. Well, let's analyze this trade. This zone gave me a rollback down, and this trade is profitable again. So this indicator really helped me determine the price boundary and the reversal. So let me continue trading. Well, here the price impulsively went beyond the indicator zone. That's why I'll immediately open an up trade. The price hit the support level with an impulse and then moved lower. And I'm expecting a rollback upwards here because after a breakout, the price tends to bounce in the opposite direction. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, price was falling down for some time, and after that the rollback upwards occurred and the situation got profitable. So let me continue. Well, here I'm entering the market with a down trade because right now the price went beyond the indicator zone, and I can see that after the resistance level, well, the price has been touching it at the moment, and here I roll back downwards is possible. And you can notice that the indicator confirms that as well. So I'll wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this situation, I can see that the price rolled back down and this trade is profitable again. So I think I should continue. So here the price has reached the up limit of the indicator. That's why I'm entering the market with a down trade, because technically you can see that the price maximum is getting lower. Also, we can expect a rollback downward from the border of this indicator. Well, analyzing this situation, there was a small upward rollback up, but then downward movement resumed and I got my profit. This indicator again helped me to be able to determine the border of the price. Even though the price continued to move upwards for a second, downwards movement really resumed. So let me continue. So this is the same currency pair after some time. The price has been impulsively falling down. That's why I'm entering the market with an up trade. Price already fell to the support level and went beyond the indicator zone. So in this situation, I'll wait for a rollback up and let's wait and see the results. Well, analyzing this trade, the level gave a rollback upwards and the situation is profitable. And also the indicator really helped determine the border of the price. So let me continue and trade. So here you can see that the price has hit the upper border of the indicator, which is why I'm going to enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute. After a bounce up, the price is likely to keep on moving to the support level, and the indicator showed the upper zone of this rollback. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, I can see a rollback up occurred and I got my profit. The indicator was useful for me again, so let me continue trading. So here the price has hit the upper border of the indicator, so I'm entering the market with a down trade for 1 minute. The price is likely to keep on moving down here due to the price maximum becoming lower, and I expect the price to move down from the border of this indicator. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, I can see that after the flat, the price moved down and this situation is profitable again. The indicator is useful for me again, so I think I need to continue trading. Well, this is the downward range. I am entering the market with a down trade. The price is at the upper border of the indicator and the movement is continuing down as price maximum is getting lower. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, the price slowed down but the rollback occurred and the situation is profitable again. So I think I need to continue and find another situation to trade on. Here price has been going beyond the indicator zone and I'm entering the market for a down trade because I expect a rollback down which will probably occur. So I'm going to wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, I can see that there was a rollback downwards and this trade is profitable again and there was a very good impulse from the upper border of this indicator. So let me find another entry point. Well, this is the price range here and the price has been moving in it and now it's trending to the upper border of the indicator. So I'm entering the market with a down trade expecting the rollback down. So I'll wait and see the results of the trade. Well, analyzing this trade, the indicator again really helped me to determine the boundaries of this price range. And from this upper zone, the price bounced. So let me find another entry point on the market. Here the price has hit the upper border of the indicator and the rollback down is showing up. So I'm entering the market with a down trade here because impulsive movement to support level and the rollback down is likely to occur. So let me wait and see the results of the trade. Well, analyzing this trade, you can see that price moved down and this trade is profitable again due to the indicator. My deposit is now $5,000. So I'm thinking I'll open the last trade for today. Here the price impulsively went down and has gone beyond the indicator zone. So here I'm entering the market with an up trade because a rollback upwards is likely to occur. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well guys, as you can see, the rollback upward was very brilliant. My deposit is now $7,000, so I think I'll stop trading here today. So guys, as you saw, all the situations in the market today were very good and very profitable and I managed to make my profit and hit my goal for today. So the Bollinger indicator is very useful. It actually shows current price variation. So you have to keep in mind that it's not a must that you need to enter a trade only when the candlesticks go beyond the borders. You can enter a trade when the candlesticks are at the border, but you have to especially focus on the inner and main support levels and resistance levels. Keep in mind also that you need to conduct technical analysis first. It's the most important. All these indicators are just auxiliary tools that help you make a profit and enter a trade. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, I also have a Telegram channel that is private. You need to write me to the link down below. You need to write me with the code word Money Team, and then I'll add it to this team so that you can be able to discuss and share your stories and also be able to receive trading signals and be able to make some money. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that like, don't forget to comment down below all your questions, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when there is a new video up. So thank you so much for watching and bye bye.